Said Mark 19 range would be fire. Mark, an 8 out of 10 bit is still in excess of the standard.
Right up the F-tracers?
I'm always bagging, but I don't always kill it.
I think you got another dollar shot.
Hell yeah. Focusing on retirement, getting out, getting all that stuff.
On the gun. Come
Oh, my bad. I know you recorded.
He is looking for the target. All you got to do is sight into that, trust that your reticle is on it.
Tracking! Set! Fire!
Lima! Good job! Ready, bro!
Set! Fire! Tracking! Set! Tracking! Fire! Like, how you like that? You look like you got a hole on your back, man. Because I don't want to go against you.
My name is Second Lieutenant Brooke Pauken. It's B-R-O-O-K-E P-A-U-K-E-N. I am from Rogers, Arkansas. Today we're doing a crew serve range with 50 cals, Mark 19s, and 240s. The purpose of this exercise is because artillery carries a lot of heavy weapons in crew serves, and we want to be able to maintain our proficiency while shooting those weapons with live rounds, and that way we can continue to provide support to forward elements. I think the training goes very well, or the training of the unit has gone very well. To prepare for this exercise, we did a couple different things. We practiced just remedial actions with the crew serves, as well as peckling Marines out beforehand, as well as we have done several convoy sims. We have mounted the turrets before, and that way the Marines get hands-on with the turret systems. My unit does have a lot of character, and we have a lot of Marines that actually care about developing their junior Marines. So a lot of the NCOs, they play a very heavy hand, obviously, in developing those junior Marines, especially the ones who have never been able to put live rounds in those weapon systems. So like I had said before, we did some different peckling actions. We tested Marines out to make sure that they knew the weapon systems, they knew the components, they knew how to manipulate the weapons and those immediate actions that they need to take in case the weapon misfires. We also did convoy sims. That way Marines could practice the mounted turrets and they could get a feel for it, as well as we had just practiced remedial actions on the mounted turrets as well. The unit itself has a good history. Yeah, so the history of Charlie Battery goes back pretty far. Specifically, we've had a lot of participation in different world wars. I'm really proud to be part of Cerberus, and I'm really glad to continue to develop the unit.